Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from the Hostinger affiliate program. Once you're inside your Hostinger affiliate program dashboard, with your mouse hover over request payment, then click on request payment. As you can see, there are many conditions that you need to follow to withdraw your money. The first one is that for PayPal payment, you need to have at least $100 in commissions and also 3 approved conversions. For a bank transfer, you need to have at least 500 in your account and also 3 approved conversions. You need to also wait a 30-day period, and to receive your payout, you need to send them an email to this email address with your exact company name and PayPal email address or bank details. I've prepared this timeline to help you clearly understand how to withdraw your money from Hostinger affiliate program. Let's say that on the month of January, you received your first commission of $30 on the 5th of January. The next month of January, you received 2 commissions. The first one was for $100 on the 3rd of February, and the second one was for just $20 on the 10th of February. With these 3 commissions, you've met the condition of minimum payout of $100 for PayPal and 3 approved conversions. Now, to receive your payment, all you need to do is that between the 12th of March, which means 30 days after your third or last commission, and the 38th of March, all you need to do is to send an email or a payment request email to this email address with your exact company name as provided in the affiliate dashboard and also your PayPal address. It is important to complete this step before the 38th of March. Now, all you have to do is to just wait for your PayPal payment to be issued on the 28th of April. And this is how to withdraw money from the Hostinger affiliate program. I hope that was clear for you. If you need any more clarifications, don't forget to leave it in the comments below.